y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm TearaShanice for the ones who do not know me. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, and also at the end of this video you can always like and comment. So this is going to be a wig installing as well as a review. It's on this wig company called Remy Forte. This is a cute abstract box. I received this wig in about 5 to 7 business days, and it is going to be a closure wig. So this is the box that came in. Again, this is Remy Forte. Everything also will be listed down below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, if you haven't already, check me out on all my social platforms. Again, it's TearaShanice on Instagram and TikTok, and of course on YouTube. So let's jump right into the video. So I'm just gonna unbox it. Now, I never seen a wig in a flat box. It definitely caught me by surprise. I never seen a wig in a flat box. Y'all see how skinny it is? It kind of reminds me of like a Christmas gift. So it came in this flat box. This is what it looks like, and you could just open it up. I'm just gonna open it up from the back. Here's the wig. It also came with a wig cap. This is the bag that the wig came in. It's labeled a 26-inch. And also it has the description on the barcode right here, which is a 4x6 lace. And it is a body wave in a natural color. This is what it looks like. It still has the net on it. It looks so silky through the net. So let's see what it looks like without. This is what the waves look like, y'all. This hair looks so nice already. This is what it looks like. It definitely has that silky look to it. The ends look really good. It looks like body wave. Sometimes when you get a wig, it doesn't always look how it's supposed to, especially the straight ones. The straight always looks body wave. Sometimes body wave can be looser, so this is definitely it. It is very long. I am going to show y'all exactly how long it is on me. At it, I can tell it does have a few flyaways, but we're going to see exactly what it looks like when I actually put it on. But it's very, very thick. Like, look how thick it is, and I'm shaking it, and it's not even separating. That's really thick, so that's really good. So this is another glueless wig. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It's a 4x6. It also has the elastic band. This is what's going to help you hold it a little bit longer on your head. It has no combs. No combs on the inside of the cap, so you definitely will need the band for that extra hold to it. The hairline is pre-plucked. The hairline is pre-plucked, and the knots on this wig is very, very small as well. I'm not going to bleach the knots on it. The knots are very small, so we're going to see how well it works without me bleaching them. Hot comb everything back. So again, this is what it looks like. So snug. It feels so good, and I'm not just saying that. I adjusted my band in the back. You don't even need the combs. This wig feels so secure that if I lift the hair up, like, it's not budging at all. curled very well. Those heat very well. I am going to stand up so y'all can see exactly what it looks like. It's given very natural, completely glueless. The only thing I did put on it was mousse at the very front, and I have put some wax spray to flatten it out. And the curls hold how long the hair is on me. You see, it's about waist, not waist, yeah, it's about waist length, because you can pull it down and it is a little bit longer. This is what the hair looks like. Now the color does look a little bit darker once I actually put product in it, but at the very beginning it did appear kind of like a dark brown. And it does have a large parting space, so it does go from temple to temple, so you are able to switch up the part and do different styles if you want to. All right, and this is the final look. So if y'all do like this wig, everything will be listed down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to add all my social, which is TearaShanice, on every platform. I do have lots of videos, lots of reviews. Make sure y'all go check it out. And this is again a 4x6 from Remy Forte 26-inch body wave wig. Bye.